About to run this. Got 2 keys, push to start. Anyways, got 2 keys to this beautiful green 2022 Maserati Levante. I don't know how to pronounce that, but I'm about to run it through the wash. It just came off the truck. This is where you put your fuel. Modena. That and the car will lock. Heated mirrors. Cool. You got your 2 levels of memory seating, mirror controls, window controls, child lock, and unlock lock. You got your seating adjustments. Start stop button. Adjust the front lights. 190 on the dash. Look at this cool wood. That wood right here. Place to put stuff. Just like the driver's side, you can adjust everything on the passenger side as well. Glove box, 2 cup holders, outlets. It's got heated and ventilated seats. On passenger and driver's side, you get all your stuff in the screen. Got your clock. Place to put stuff on both sides. Got your outlets and vents. I got leg room. I've got headroom. You got heated seats in the back. Of course, this car will go to the shop and get cleaned for you.